need to clean up though. Get all these boxes to burn. I need to clean up the floor. I've been so busy lately, which is great. Just haven't had much time to clean. Let's go test drive this Prius and see what's going on with it. Supposedly it's making some noise. A thumping noise, she says. Well, it's gonna chime at me unless I put the seatbelt on. I won't be able to hear anything. I'll let off the gas, it's louder. I get on the gas a little bit, it's quieter. Let off, and it's there. Sounds like the driver's front. I mean, all that looks fine. Caliper's tight. Interesting. Okay, so I did find our problem. So the wheel doesn't feel loose, but I went to the lug nuts. They're not tight. 3, 4. You got one that's tight. You can see where it's been walking. Gosh dang. Yeah, you can see it on the rotor. So the reason for the driver's front wheel to be loose was she had paid somebody to put tire pressure sensors in all 4 tires. She said a few days after that was done, a passenger side front wheel that lost a lug nut and lost 1 lug nut off the passenger rear. So they replaced the lug nuts on the 2 that were missing, but didn't check the rest of the wheels. Pull the rotors off, put new pads, new rotors. I'll clean the hub a little bit, clean up and lubricate the caliper slide pins and the mounting points where the new pads are going to go. Like 3 millimeters here, like I saw, but the back side of the pad is wore out too, so they're worn way uneven. Look at all that rust. These brakes have not been working like they should for an extremely long time. It looks like it's working really well. Always a good idea to spray off your new brake rotors. They have oil on them to protect the coating and the surface when they're in the package on the shelf. So spray them down. I've sanded my hub a little bit here so it's cleaned up. Big handle brush like this. That works really well. Grab my Permatex brake lube. We want to make sure that goes in and out and spins nice and easy like it does. Okay. I'm cheaper than most shops, but I am going to be more expensive than some shops. Great communication. I'm going to do what I say I'm going to do. I'm going to show up when I say I'm going to show up. I'm going to give you a professional repair, honesty, and I run my business with integrity. Sometimes I'm just not going to be the best option. I'm not trying to be big-headed. I'm not trying to be rude about it. Not everybody's going to sand down this hub. Not everybody's going to lube those caliper slides. So I doubt you're going to get apples for less.